65XP Towable wood chipper. Do apologize about the wind, but today's the first day we've been able to do some videos. It's been raining and nasty. It's a little chilly here in PA, but that's what it is. So, this machine has 842 hours, I believe, which will take you over here and show you. Unit's in nice shape. Start here at the engine. Unit's powered by a Vanguard, twin cylinder, 35 horsepower. Twin cylinder gas engine, starts and runs excellent, no abnormal noise, smoke, blow by, anything like that whatsoever. We've had it at the shop, serviced it, went through it, actually just put a brand new set of knives in this chipper, so it was up to par and ready to go to work. And I guess I should have had this already open. We're going to go ahead and I will open up the chipper house. And so everybody knows all the safety equipment is hooked up. That's what this is. This is a dead man, so the engine will not start whenever that is open. So, go ahead and we'll rotate this around, bring you around to this side. You can see, got a brand new set of knives in it from Lewandowski Equipment. They sell Bandit knives and stuff, so we went ahead and put a brand new set of knives in. Nuts, bolts, everything ready to go. Chipper is not all welded or busted up anywhere that we have seen. Go ahead and slide this stuff back together. Safety pin gets right back in here like this, and basically all it's doing is pushing a switch which tells it that the door is closed and that operator doesn't have their hands in there. So it's valuable to know that that safety equipment is hooked up and working. Back here you can see this is where your self-feed is. I'm not going to lie to anybody, this is on a bearing. These two little posts here one time had a weld on them. I want to show you that, not hiding it. Typical to small chippers, I've seen that before, but we're not hiding anything. I want you to be honest, tell you the truth on stuff. Coming here to the back, here's like your yoke lock pin. Coming to the back here, back feed doors, or feed trays in nice shape. Paint is all original on the chipper. Feed wheel's in nice condition. It's not busted here on the feed table. Hinge is not broke. Valve is good. Hoses are good. I'm going to turn the key on. We'll get down here to the hour meter and show you 846 hours. Another big thing here on the chipper, where the motor goes in, this cog, it is not loose up and down, so the drive cog that goes to your drive wheel is in good condition. Back of the chute is also another big wear place on the chipper. Walk around there, Matt, and we'll show them. Back of this chute is not all beat up, dented up, wore thin, anything like that whatsoever. So at this time I have some brush cut here. I'm going to go ahead and fire this chipper up. I want to run some material through it for you so you can see that everything works the way it's supposed to. Okay? see that. I should say pump that drain is down. We'll pull the tape off for you. See, it's nice and straight. I'm running through stuff I know on the mountain on my piece of property, cut little better stuff, but I just want to show everybody what you're getting and what you're doing. So we're not hiding anything. We go a little bit above and beyond anybody else on the internet, and you can actually see it chip. A lot of guys won't even do that. So we've opened up the chipper knife housing so you can see in there. I've run material through it. We showed you that feed wheel works. We show you that the chute's good and everything functions. Motor doesn't smoke, all the trailer lights work, tires are excellent condition, unit's ready to go. If you have any questions on this chipper at all, 814-658-3066. Check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. See us on Tractor House, Machinery Trader, and on eBay at Mark Supply 88. I'm Nick Miller, and I do appreciate you checking us out. If you have any questions on this chipper at all, please give us a call. We'll be glad to help you any way that we can. I do have 3 of these available currently today, the 30th, for sale. Again, I'm Nick Miller, 814-658-3066. As always, have a good day, and thanks for checking out Mark Supply Company.